Okay, so Checkpoint is Discord's first ever official year in review feature. It's a totally personalized recap of your 2025 activity, designed to show you exactly how you spent your time hanging out on the platform. It breaks down a bunch of your key stats. It tells you the exact number of messages you shot off, how many total hours you were chillin' in voice channels, and even who is your number one person to talk to across all your DMs and servers. You can also check out your community stats, like which server you practically lived in and what emojis you spam the most, both custom and standard. If you're a big gamer, it even lists your top 5 most played games for the year. It's all about finding out your personal Discord stats for the past 12 months. Once you've gone through the whole thing, you get matched with one of 10 unique Checkpoint cards. The coolest part is that this card unlocks a matching avatar decoration that you can actually wear on your profile until mid-January 2026. It's a fun way to show off your Checkpoint type. By default, your recap is private, but if you want to share your stats, there's a simple option to drop a quick summary right into a chat. Basically, it's a fun, personalized look back at all the memorable moments you had with your friends and communities this year. This is available for everybody, but for some reason, if you can't see it, Discord might be banned or blocked in your countries. Anyway, that is it for today. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. If you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button for the video to get into algorithm.